Hello, Guti lovers. How are you today? Get ready, because below we have a recipe that will brighten up snack time, family gatherings, and any craving. We're going to make green bananas and cheese empanadas. And guess what? We only need a few ingredients. Let's get started. First, let's peel the green bananas. Cut off the ends, and if you've never done this before, be careful, they release sap. Chef's trick: rub a little oil on your hands so it doesn't stick. Make a few cuts in the peel, and you'll see how easily it comes off. With the bananas peeled and cut, put them in a pot with water and add a pinch of salt. You can make this recipe sweet or savory, you decide. Let them boil until they are very soft. Ready for the next step. Now, let's get to work. Take out the plantains and mash them with a fork. We want a lump-free dough. Once they're well mashed, transfer them to a bowl and add a tablespoon of melted butter. If the dough is dry, add a little of the liquid they cooked in. That makes it perfect. Knead for a few seconds, just until it's homogeneous and pliable. Here's where the magic begins. Take an open plastic bag or some cling film. Rub a little oil on it and on your hands too. Make a ball with the dough, place it in the center, and flatten it with your cutting board to form a thin circle. See how easy it is? And look at this. Place the cheese in the center, fold the dough to close. If you have an empanada mold, use it to make them perfect. I'll use my mom's container. You see, there's a solution for everything. Press the edges firmly into a crescent shape and don't forget to seal with a fork. That way they won't open when frying. Wow, they look beautiful. And pay attention. If you want them to be perfect, you must let them rest in the refrigerator for at least half an hour before frying. Keep that in mind. Pour enough oil into a pan. When it's hot, carefully place your empanadas. Fry them on both sides until they are crispy and golden. Wow, that bubbling? Let's take them out and place them on absorbent paper to remove excess oil. Look at that color. My mouth is already watering. So delicious. And now, my favorite part has arrived. Let's taste these empanadas. Look at this, please. Wow, wow, wow. See how the cheese stretches? It's crazy. Look at that infinite string of cheese. It's perfect, well melted and creamy. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and that melted filling. Oh my God. If you like this easy recipe, share it and subscribe.